Hi, my name is CLARISSA and today we are going to show you on how to make an origami dove. All you need is just a square-shaped paper. This is our origami paper. The dove will end up being this color. First step, fold the bottom point up to the top point and crease well. Then, fold the right point over to the left point. Unfold the previous step. Next, fold the bottom, left and right point diagonally up to the top point. After that, fold the top point of both flaps down to the bottom point.
Hi, I'm ANSELM. I'm going to show you the following steps in order to make our own origami dove. Step 8. Unfold the previous part by turning the folded part outwards. Step 9. Fold the left and right point in to meet the central vertical lines. And remember to make the folded part clearly. Step 10. Unfolded the previous step 9. Step 11. Unfold the right section by turning it downwards. Step 12. Using the creases you just made, bring the right side in like this. Step 13. Fold the right section back out again by squashing the folds underneath carefully. Step 14. Repeat the step 11 to 13 on the left side. Remember to do it slowly and carefully.
Hi, my name is SHARON. Now, I will show you the next step of making origami dove. Step 15. Flip the paper over from left to right. Step 16. Fold the left edge to the right edge. Make sure the open ends are at the top. The next step is bring the top layer diagonally down to the left, and you will get an image like this. For step 18, you need to flip the paper over to the other side from left to right. Step 19. Bring the top layer diagonally down to the right. For the next step, you need to fold the flap diagonally over and down to the left as shown.
Hi, my name is SITI Syazana binti MOHD and I will continue explain step 21 until 26 of making this dove origami. For step 21, we need to bring the other flap down from behind to match this side, like this. Next, we need to fold the top point diagonally over to the left, using the creases underneath as a guide. For step 22, like this. After that, for step 23, open the model up a bit and place it into this position, like this. For step 24, we need to bring the two sides inward, like this. Adjust it so that we can get like this. Next, flatten the model again like this. and rotate it to this position. For step 25. For step 26, fold the bottom left flap diagonally up to the right like this.
Hi, my name is HAZIMAH BINTI ARIFFIN. I will do the step from number 27 to 32, which is last step. Step 27, bring the flap that is behind diagonally up to mesh. Step 28 is rotate the paper, and you can now see it is a bird. Step 29, inside reverse, fold the head by pitching the top point and pulling it down. Step 13 is flatten the head. The origami dove is complete. Last step, you can further up the wings to make it look like the dove is flying.
Throughout this picking task, my teammates and I cooperate well, and our wonderful leader has divided our tasks equally. Everyone was quick in responding when there were any questions or ideas. It has also boosted my confidence to speak English better. After completing this task, I've learned how to make an origami dove, which I have never done before. It is fascinating that just a piece of paper can be transformed into various shapes and decorative designs. There are huge educational benefits of origami for kids and adults alike. Origami is good as it develops hand-eye coordination, memory, patience, and attention skills. I would like to explore more on origami during the coming semester break because it is fun, challenging, and creative. Thank you.
Hi, my name is ANSELM, and I would like to share my thoughts and experience on how to make an origami dove. For me, it's quite interesting to do an origami because I have never done one by myself before. During the process of learning how to do an origami, I found it sometimes the steps were very difficult. So I decided to seek help from my friends. And then I would like to say they were really very kind-hearted to teach me how to do the origami. When doing this origami, I really feel annoying because I cannot do this very perfectly in the first time. Although there are many difficult steps in completing an origami dove, but I am very happy that I succeed in making it myself. I would say this will be an achievement for me since we have learned something new, the art of origami, in this assignment, and I would like to thank my teammate for guiding me and helping me in completing the origami. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, I am SHARON here. Through this speaking task, I have significantly developed my skills in making origami. Since I'm not yet confident with my skills to make origami, luckily my teammates and my family were willing to help me. Of course, I'm very grateful with that. For me, the most challenging thing was that we had to make the instruction of how the process of making the origami. But I enjoyed the moment of making the origami that my group chose, which was a dove, because I am so amazed that a simple paper can turn into fantastic origami. This made me feel satisfied. I admit that making artistic things bring me happiness. Along the way of making the origami, our group members are so cooperative and quite active in the discussion. Besides, we also divide the tasks equally, so I will enjoy to do this speaking task, which was an exciting experience. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Siti Syazana binti Mat Useng. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the demonstrative video or the speaking task. For the demonstrative video, my group and I decided to make a dove origami. The reason behind it is we all think that dove origami is fun and interesting origami. Plus, the step to make it is not too difficult. I had so much fun and enjoy doing the origami, and it motivates me to try making other kind of origami that I never done it before. I think it is quite challenging for me to do the demonstrative video as I need to find the right time and place to record the video, as my home is always noisy because of the kids. So I need to wait until the kids fall asleep to record the video. Besides all of that, I think I feel grateful to have group members that can be cooperative and agree with my idea. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is HAZIMAH binti ARIFFIN. In this reflection video, I would like to tell that I am so glad to do the dove origami because it was fun to do it. While doing the dove origami video, I get to know the step on how to do the dove origami. While making the dove origami video, it's quite challenging for me because I have to find the quiet place to do the origami video, and the weather, because at my home it's always raining because of the flood season. I am so happy and enjoy while making the dove origami video, and I hope my group will get a good mark for this dove origami video.